In this video, I will show you how to download the text, the transcription or captions that YouTube automatically generates for your video. So, in order to do that, you need to expand this icon, select YouTube Studio Beta, then Done. You need to go to Videos, click the video that you want to get your generated captions from, for example, this one. Then go to Missing Features and select Translation and Transcription. Now, you need to click the English Automatic option, the only one in this case. And here you can expand the Actions drop-down menu and select the version of your subtitles or captions that you'd like to use, VTT, SRT, or SBV. I prefer SBV, so I click it, click Save. I'm going to save my file to the desktop, then I click Save. Now, you can just open this file. For example, with the help of a text wrangler, just drag and drop it. So this is your text that was automatically generated by YouTube. You can use it as you see fit.